Welcome to our exploration of the procurement domino effect. In business, a single mistake in procurement can set off a chain reaction, impacting costs, timelines, and even customer satisfaction. Today, we'll walk through the 7 critical stages where errors often occur, using real-world examples and practical solutions. By understanding these stages, you'll see how a strong, clear, and proactive procurement process can prevent small issues from becoming expensive disasters. Let's begin by setting the stage for why procurement matters and how every detail counts. First stage in the domino effect is unclear requirements. This happens when specifications are incomplete or vague, such as missing details about materials, tolerances, or packaging. For example, if a company fails to specify the exact material needed, suppliers may deliver the wrong product, leading to costly corrections. The best way to avoid this is to clearly define requirements, document everything, and confirm mutual understanding with all stakeholders. This proactive approach ensures everyone is on the same page from the start. Selecting the wrong supplier is a common pitfall. Sometimes companies choose suppliers based solely on price, overlooking their capability or reliability. This can result in delays, poor quality, or even failed deliveries. For instance, a supplier lacking the necessary systems or capacity may not meet your needs. To prevent this, thoroughly evaluate suppliers, track records, systems, and production capacity. Investing time in supplier selection pays off by reducing risks and ensuring consistent quality. Purchase order issues and miscommunication can quickly derail procurement. Mistakes such as wrong item, quantity, or delivery date often stem from unclear or informal communication. For example, a misinterpreted email can result in the wrong product being shipped. To minimize these risks, double-check purchase orders, communicate in writing, and keep thorough records. Clear, documented communication helps ensure accuracy and accountability throughout the process. Production problems often arise when errors occur during manufacturing. These can include using the wrong materials or taking shortcuts to save time, which ultimately compromise quality. For example, a factory might substitute materials without approval, leading to product failures. The solution is to monitor production closely, either through site visits or remote checks. Early detection allows you to catch issues before they escalate, saving time and money. Late quality detection is a costly mistake. Sometimes defects are only discovered at the final inspection or worse by customers. This can lead to returns, reputational damage, and additional expenses. For example, a batch of products may pass through production unnoticed, only to be rejected at the last minute. To avoid this, conduct inline and pre-shipment inspections proactively. Early quality checks help identify problems before they reach the customer. Shipment delays can occur due to production, inspection, or logistics issues. Missing the estimated time of departure (ETD) or facing customs holdups can disrupt your supply chain and increase costs. For example, a delayed shipment might cause stockouts or missed deadlines. To mitigate these risks, plan and align timelines carefully, coordinating with all parties involved. Proactive scheduling and communication help keep shipments on track. When procurement errors are not addressed, costs can escalate rapidly. Each mistake adds up, from rework and expedited shipping to lost sales and damaged reputation. For example, a series of small errors can result in a major financial setback. The key is to address issues early and prevent them from snowballing. Strong procurement controls and regular reviews help keep costs under control. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a company that orders parts with unclear specifications. The supplier delivers the wrong items, leading to production delays. Quality issues are discovered late, and shipments are delayed, resulting in missed deadlines and unhappy customers. Each stage compounds the problem, illustrating how a small procurement error can trigger a costly domino effect. This scenario highlights the importance of getting procurement right from the start. Break the domino chain. Corrective actions are essential at every stage. Clearly defining requirements, evaluating suppliers thoroughly, double-checking purchase orders, monitoring production, conducting proactive inspections, and planning logistics are all critical steps. By implementing these actions, companies can prevent errors from escalating and maintain control over their procurement process. Consistency and attention to detail are key to success. Documentation plays a vital role in procurement. Keeping detailed records of requirements, communications, and purchase orders helps ensure clarity and accountability. For example, written records can resolve disputes and clarify misunderstandings. A robust documentation system supports proactive procurement and reduces the risk of errors. Make documentation a standard practice in your process. Effective communication is the backbone of successful procurement. Clear, written communication helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures everyone is aligned. For example, confirming orders and requirements in writing reduces the risk of mistakes. Establishing communication protocols and keeping records of all interactions can help maintain transparency and trust throughout the procurement process. Proactive quality control is essential to catch issues early and maintain standards. Regular inspections during production and before shipment help identify defects and prevent costly returns. For example, inline inspections can catch problems before they reach the customer. Investing in quality control pays off by protecting your reputation and reducing expenses. Aligning logistics is crucial for timely deliveries and smooth operations. Coordinating production, inspection, and shipping schedules helps avoid delays and disruptions. For example, aligning estimated time of departure (ETD) with production completion ensures shipments leave on time. Proactive logistics planning keeps your supply chain running efficiently and minimizes risks. Summary: the procurement domino effect shows how small mistakes can escalate into major business challenges. By understanding the 7 critical stages and implementing corrective actions, companies can build a strong, proactive procurement process. Key takeaways include defining requirements clearly, evaluating suppliers, maintaining documentation, communicating effectively, monitoring quality, and aligning logistics. A robust procurement process protects your business from costly errors and ensures long-term success.